Want to save 90% on products at Walmart this week? That includes food products, household products, laundry products, you name it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can grab $70 worth of products for $7 plus taxes. So if that's what you want to do, definitely stay tuned. Hey guys, Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are in my office filming because it is pouring rain outside, so you probably wouldn't have been able to hear me, but that is correct. In this video, I am gonna go to Walmart and show you exactly how you can grab over $70 worth of products for $7 plus taxes. We are gonna be using rebate apps like Ibotta, Shopkick, coupons.com app, and more. So I'm gonna show you everything you need to do, and it's mostly using printable coupons that anyone can print for free. So linked below in the description box is the printable breakdown. You can print it, take it right to the store with you, do the exact same deals that I'm doing. Then all of the different coupons that I used are linked in that breakdown as well. So you can click it and print them before you head to the store. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any easy deals and ways that you can save thousands of dollars every year. I'm also going to be completing my midweek moneymaker bonus. I needed 15 rebates and I'll get an additional $3 back. There is a giveaway that I posted yesterday in my Walgreens haul video. So if you haven't checked that out yet, definitely do so. I'll link that below for you also. There's going to be 2 winners. Each are going to win $10 gift cards. You can enter in that video if you haven't yet. Later on today is my couponing class, which I'm super excited about. There will be more to come. So if you weren't able to reserve your seat for this one, if it was a time issue or anything, there will be more in the future. I'll let you guys know when I set more dates coming up. So let's go inside Walmart and take advantage of so many easy deals. Okay. First deal we're gonna do, I'm super excited about. A lot of you shared this deal with me a while ago. I don't know why I'm just now doing it, but these Blue Bunny loaded sundaes, there's a couple different versions available. They're $2.47. In the printable breakdown, there is a 55-cent off one coupon. Then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. That makes your final cost $1.17. Now I'm gonna grab some completely free Kraft mac and cheese. I did this in a TikTok video, but I grabbed this version, which you're not allowed to do. Not that you're not allowed to, it doesn't work for the rebate. So you wanna grab the original version for 98 cents, submit to the coupons.com app for $1.09 back. That makes it free and a 12-cent moneymaker. So we have quite a few food deals that we're gonna do today. This one is on some Quaker oatmeal. You can either grab any of these 3 or you can grab all 3 if you want. You're gonna submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. It is a limit of 5. I'm gonna grab this one. Then you're gonna submit to Shopkick. You're gonna get 10 scan kicks and 200 kicks when you purchase it. So I'll show you in just a second how you get the scan kicks. While I'm here, I may as well get the scan kicks for this and for this one. That'll make my final cost for the strawberry banana just 91 cents. So when you open Shopkick, you're gonna click Walmart. Then you're gonna be able to scroll through the offers and see what you have in store. So you're gonna scroll down until you see breakfast and snacks. Here's one, the s'mores. While I'm in this area, I may as well scan them and get all the kicks. You're gonna click scan. Then you're going to grab the product while you're in store and just scan the barcode. Then you'll get all of your in-store kicks. There's 3 different ones here, so that'll give me an additional 30 kicks back, and it'll take me 2 seconds to do it. If you need laundry products, this week is a good week, and next week is gonna be a good week because we're getting some more coupons. What you wanna do is grab the All with Oxy for $2.97. We do have $1.25 printable coupons that I have linked in the printable breakdown. Print them now because you never know when their deal is gonna come down, but these don't expire for the next 3 weeks, which is awesome. Then I'm gonna submit to Ibotta for $1 back. Rebates do vary, so double check and see what you have. That'll make my final cost 72 cents. Here's another Shopkick deal. I could have sworn we had coupons on these, but I'll put it in the printable breakdown when I get home if I find it. You can grab one for just $2.62, then submit to Shopkick. You'll get 190 kicks, which is about 76 cents back. That'll make your final cost about $1.86 for one of these. So not a bad deal, still some good savings. I'm just glad we're starting to get deals again on disinfecting products. This is a repeat deal. I did it last week and I actually had the turkey sandwiches. I thought they were pretty good, especially for the price. So they're 58 cents each. You're gonna grab 5. We still have $1 off 5 printable coupons that you can print. And we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 5. That'll make your final cost about 19 cents per pack, which is a great deal. I'm super excited. They actually had 3 of these left and I need 3 for this deal. So I haven't tried the orange yet. I'm gonna grab 3 of these at $1.44 each. There are still $1 off 1 printable coupons and these don't expire for another couple months. Then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back when you buy 3. That makes my final cost 57 cents for 3 6-packs of flavored water, which is amazing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite deal is so far. And if you're enjoying the freebies and cheap deals at Walmart, definitely smash that like button for me. Now let's go on to the next deal. Here's a clearance find. So you always want to make sure that you check the clearance in the food area and the clearance for the other products. They have some malto meal, they have the Colossal Crunch or the churros. I absolutely love churros, so I'm gonna try this one. These are 50% off at just $2.49. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back, makes it $1.49, which I don't think is a bad price. And I don't know, I love churros, so hopefully it's not disappointing. Here's a good back to school deal. So you can grab some 5-star folders. My store, they're 50 cents each. Some stores are probably even cheaper. Then you're gonna grab 2, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 2, makes it buy 1 get 1 free or 25 cents each. If you don't need an Ibotta rebate and you just need some folders, they have the pen and gear folders at my store. Some of them are just 15 cents each. All of these are 15 cents each, which is amazing. So I'm gonna be putting together a bunch of like gift baskets and things like that, again, for giveaways and to donate. So stay tuned, I'll be putting that together and letting you guys know how I'm finding the deals, what I'm doing, the whole 9 yards. If you need a deal giving you double rebates, here's an amazing one. So I've done this before. We're gonna grab the women's gummies alive. There's no coupons that I know of, but they're $8.73. Submit to Ibotta, both of these rebates come up. That'll make this just $2.73 and give me 2 rebates towards my bonus. There's 60 gummies here. I love taking gummy vitamins because I love gummies, so definitely adding this to the cart. We're also gonna do this Shopkick bundle on the Tresemme. So what you're gonna do is grab one of the Botanique and one of the Damage Recovery. They're both $5.98 each. Then in our 7-Eleven Save Insert, we got $5 off 2 coupons. We're also gonna submit this to Shopkick, scan them both individually, and purchase it for 1,340 kicks. That equals $5.36 back. Our final cost now is gonna be just $1.60 for both, or 80 cents per bottle. The next freebie I'm gonna grab is this pain relieving spray. I don't even understand what that means, but I'm excited to try it. It's $14.97. I don't have any coupons or anything that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be submitting to Fetch Rewards for 100% points back. That'll make it completely free. And if you don't want to pay anything out of pocket, if you have enough Fetch points to get a Walmart Fetch Rewards gift card, then you can pay with the gift card and you'll still get the points back. So then your out of pocket would be 0. This deal requires no coupons. So if you need an extra deal, and you know I love stocking up on soap for some reason, you can grab 2 of the hand soap that are $2.97, then submit to Ibotta for $3.67 back on 2. That'll make your final cost $2.27 for both, or about $13 each. So not a bad deal. Here's a nice deal with overage. I'm gonna grab one of these Neutrogena facial bars at $2.74. Use this $3 off 1 coupon that is printable, linked in the breakdown. That'll make it free and give me 26 cents of overage to help cover the cost of some of the other deals I'm grabbing today. Here's a great deal that I'm excited for Riley to try. It's a couple different parts to it, so stay with me. This one is $4.98 for the jumbo snacks. Then there are $1 printable coupons on the Kellogg's Rewards website, linked below. Then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2 back and submit to Shopkick. Scan it in store like I showed you a little earlier in the video. You'll get 20 kicks, or 25, I'm sorry. Purchase it, get 300. That's $1.68 back. That'll make your final cost on this about 68 cents. Everything, of course, is in the printable breakdown below, so don't feel the need to write this down. You can see the link in the description box, get it printed and take it to the store, print all the printable coupons in there and do the same deals that I'm doing to save a lot of money this week. So just as I was about to leave, I saw that there's a bunch of dollar peelies for the Kellogg's cereal. So you can grab one of these peelies, then you're gonna grab this cinnamon basketball for $3.64. Use the peely, that'll take off $1. Submit to Ibotta. Both of these rebates popped up for me, so that'll give me $1.40 back. Then, because those two rebates are attaching and I'm doing the jumbo snacks, I'm also gonna get this 50-cent bonus. That'll make this just 74 cents. So now I'm gonna add it to the cart. All right, I'm at self-checkout. I usually like to do self-checkout, that way I can kind of show you guys what to do. So everything is rang in here. We're at $73.41. Then we're just gonna take our coupons. 90% of these are printable coupons, so a lot of you can do the exact same deals. It worked because it took off the dollar right there. This one I may have issues with. Oh, it worked because it was a little weird when it ripped off, but it wound up working, so I'm good with that. So I'm not gonna videotape this entire thing because I actually have quite a few coupons I'm going to use today, but we're going to finish up, then we'll get in the truck and we'll go over our totals with submitting our receipt and if I have any issues with these coupons. Okay, we're back in from Walmart. Usually I film the second half in the Walmart parking lot, but it was starting to rain, so I submitted my receipts real quick and there's a homeless guy who waits at the entrance to Walmart. And it was about to start raining. So I wanted to be able to give him one of the 6 packs of Splash because I have so many. There's no point in it sitting in my garage. I may as well give it to him. And I gave him some of the budding meat. So I wanted to be able to do that before he left in case he was gonna go take shelter from the storm that was coming in. So now we are home and I wanna go over the receipt and our final cost, all of the rebate apps that we submitted to, the whole 9 yards. So let me show you guys my receipt and guess what? Not a single issue at checkout. What? You guys know how exciting that is. Kid in a candy store. Nothing beeped. I didn't need a cashier to help me. Nothing. It was incredible. Checkout took me 2 seconds. So here is the receipt. Of course, nothing crazy to show you guys. All the coupons worked and I had like 10 coupons or something, which is amazing. Paid $53.02 plus taxes out of pocket. So then let's go over our final cost. Submitted to Ibotta, got back $15.15. Now be careful. This is the second time I'm doing the budding meat rebate. It did not catch it on the receipt. So you always want to scroll through, just make sure that you have the same rebates that you're expecting. If not, click verify more offers on the top, find the budding, scan all 5 of the barcodes and add it. So I had to do that. So just be careful on that. Then I'll get $3 back for the midweek moneymaker bonus, 50 cents for the Kellogg's bonus. Submitted to Fetch Rewards, got back 15,000 points, which is $15.15. Then submitted to the coupons.com app, $1.09 will go directly to my PayPal day of, which is incredible. Then submitted to Shopkick, I got 120 in-store scan kicks and 2,000 I submitted for. So that usually takes about 48 hours and then it'll hit my account. That equals $8.48. So you multiply the kicks times 0.004. That's how you know what the cash value. So that makes my final cost for everything today, $7.17 plus taxes, which is incredible. So happy with that. And we got so many food products today, which is incredible. So if you guys want to save money, you've got to download the Ibotta app. All of my referral codes are linked below in the description box for you. And each of them will give you like a welcome bonus. Fetch Rewards, when you scan your first receipt, they'll give you an extra 2,750 points. Ibotta, I think, gives you a $20 welcome bonus, and you'll join my team so we can help each other get even more monthly bonuses, which is awesome. If you have any questions, of course, drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video, and if you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you. Hit that subscribe button right here. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time.